Hello everyone and welcome to our channel once again. In this video, I am growing pea shoot microgreens. Pea shoot microgreens are very popular and a rich source of vitamin C. They also contain carbohydrates, iron, magnesium and zinc. You can grow pea shoot microgreens from the grocery grade seeds which are available in your kitchen. They have innumerable health benefits and also they are very good for weight loss. So let's get started. For peas, the growing medium is only coco peat, but before growing, use a strainer and pre-wash your coco peat in tap water or hot water. This tray is 5x7 size. It has holes at the base. Add a base layer of 1 inch coco peat and level it well. Next, what we do is we'll broadcast the seeds evenly. Check the seed density. Now we'll put the top layer. We'll tamp it again. Now let's mist well for the first time. Put tray inside tray with weight for 2 days. So today is day 2. Let's remove the weights and let's mist this crop. So after day 2, we will dome the crop. Today is day 4, so let's check out. So from today, we will start bottom watering. Today is day 6, so let's check out. If you see, there is absolutely no mold in the tray and the germination is almost 90%. Let's do bottom watering every day and expose the crop to light. Let's do bottom watering on day 9. Today is day 15. You can harvest the crop or allow it to grow till day 17. If you want, you can soak the seeds for 4 to 5 hours and sow directly. However, if you are not sure of the germination, then you have to soak the seeds and sow only those which sprout. In this case, you need to rinse them after every 8 hours. Friends, hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.